I'm also going to highlight that, wow, John, it's really a very selfish generation, isn't it? It's all about them. But I also need to highlight that this is not unique to the Gen Z. Every Generation X and Generation Y and baby boomers had to undergo the same stage. Let's appreciate the biology. Let's appreciate the life stage of an adolescent. This is your brain, and there are two parts of the brain that are responsible for decision making. The first one is the prefrontal cortex. The other one is the amygdala. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for rational decision making. If there's an old woman in a bus and there are 5 people vying for that seat, the prefrontal cortex is going to tell you, John, give it to the old lady. She needs it. On the other hand, the second part of your brain, which is the amygdala, is responsible for animal instincts, survival instincts. So the amygdala will tell you, no, John, you deserve that seat. Take that seat. You've been standing too hard. You've been standing too long. Here's the problem. When you are an adolescent, the prefrontal cortex is not fully developed. In fact, in studies, specifically for Asians, that prefrontal cortex does not develop until the age of latter 20s, and for some, in the early 30s. What takes the stage if your prefrontal cortex is not playing into the picture? It's your amygdala. The younger you are, your decisions are driven by your amygdala. And therefore, the tendency is to think about what's in it for me. I want all of us to appreciate this, because when Gen Zs tend to be selfish in front of you, it's not because they want to be deliberately evil. It's because their biology is driving them as such. I want us to appreciate this because when we were younger, we likely acted this way. The Generation Z only bear the brunt because there's magnification through discussion on social media. There's comparison on Netflix. There's comparison of all these things. So when we as leaders tend to see a selfish or self-entitled one, we need to understand how to educate them better to wear a corporate hat rather than thinking of only their promotions and their next upcoming flight.